So I think the key challenge for manufacturing companies is how they not only build back better and survive the pandemic, but actually how they thrive coming out of that pandemic. So I think particularly for us, we're interested in supporting companies with their entrepreneurial capabilities, so the ability to look at how the market is changing around them, spot opportunities that link to their business, and actually develop the capability of their staff to capitalise on those opportunities to create new products and services and take those to new markets.
Pain points at the moment, absolutely, and something we've heard over the last 2 days is around sustainability and how manufacturers can really play that important role in achieving the UK's very ambitious targets over the coming years.
Yeah, some of the biggest challenges that we're addressing with our customers is the current labour challenge that exists in the UK, whether that's access to labour or the cost of labour increasing. Many manufacturers are facing the pain of this challenge at the moment. We're looking to address it with some of the automation technologies that we can offer.
Our members are facing huge challenges at the moment, as you might imagine, but really the biggest one is supply chain resilience. Getting hold of material, knowing what it's going to be going to cost, how do they quote export orders when they don't know what their materials are going to cost, is proving a massive challenge at the moment.
There's actually quite a number of different pain points. They're grappling with concurrent issues all over the place, whether it's efficiencies or net zero, sustainability, but probably I would say, and obviously getting back to normal is a key hurdle that they're all kind of getting used to, but one of the biggest issues that they're grappling with is the role and benefits of bringing in automation and robotics. You know, as a G7 country and a G20 country with high manufacturing output, we have a high proliferation of SMEs within the UK manufacturing world. And so they're trying to work out how to benefit from new technology, how to benefit from Industry 4.0, how to improve efficiency and productivity using robotics and automation. And some of them haven't yet started the journey and not quite sure where to start. Others have started and made a few mistakes. And others who have probably been at the forefront of bringing on board more robotics and innovation within the manufacturing process, they've learned how to overcome some of those early obstacles. And so there's a whole range of different issues, but different stages that they're all at, really. So yeah.